Okay, this will just be a very quick stream, I hope. Because right after I stopped and had a cup of coffee, as I planned to do, it came to me and I reread this part. And if you saw the first stream, you might have noticed that I said, well, okay, so this is a pair, and this is a pair, and this is a pair. And that's not the case. That's why I had all sorts of values that were not correct, including the ones that were correct. So once I changed the way I read the seeds, it actually spit out the right answer for the test for me for part 2. So now I want to go back and run it on the real input and see if it works. And I was so mad because I spent like an hour and a half debugging this stuff just for nothing, when it's just a simple, stupid little mistake. So in here I had +1, just increment, and I would do, that's why I started at 1, I would take the back pair. It's just, yeah, it was a stupid mistake, a very stupid mistake with grave consequences. But yeah, let's go back to the real input and let's, yeah, this is all correct. I have to be careful because I changed so many things, and I probably also need to remove all these debug statements here from the make functions. I need to remove this console write line, and I think if I run this now I get an error. Cool, input strings seed to soil was not in the correct format. Let me see. Call stack. No. Did I do that? Yes. I still need to remove the input here. I still need to remove the test input. My bad. Let's try this. And now I need to change this one because that's also incorrect. Boom, 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 boom. That's the downside of having the override and work on multiple lines. So please stand by. And now I can run it and I have a part 2 answer. And we get our second gold star. Huh. Whew. And that's why you see that this is one of the things where programming can be very, very frustrating. Because I thought I had a pretty solid idea of how this works, of what I needed to do. And yeah, it's just it can be very annoying when you run into something like this. I'm just happy that it works now. I will clean up the code in a bit and post it to Reddit as usual, and then relax until it's time for part 4, part 6. No, lots of work to do. So it will be just a very short stream, as I said. I just wanted to finally get the part 2 after I realized what I'd done wrong. So yeah, I will clean this up later, post it to Reddit, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.